with another video. In today's video, I am going to be cutting my hair. My hair is just so long, and I think the last time I cut it was 2 years ago. The last time I trimmed it was a couple months ago. I don't remember when, but I'm just so over this. I need something different. So we about to cut it. I'm about to go like short. Like, okay, when I say short, I'm talking like my short, like from what I'm used to. So I'm going from waist length hair to about maybe mid back or shoulder, probably shoulder. That's how I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna show you guys, or take you guys along this haircut journey with me. I'm gonna show you guys my hair before I wet it and then after. So this is my hair now. So length check. My hair is literally touching my butt crack, okay? This is it pulled down. My butt crack's right here. And this is where my hair is. That's like the middle part. The side parts are like about at my waist. Cause I did have my hair in like a couple layers. So hair is about to my waist. So this is my hair. I can't believe I'm cutting it. I'm also excited. I really like short hair. It's more fun and my curls are more bounced up and not drop down. So let's get into this video. So I'm gonna go wet this right quick and then show you guys how it looks when it's wet. Even though you guys already know how it looks. So I just washed my hair. It is wet. This is my hair wet. So we're about to jump into this video and cut it. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I'm about to... Let's see, let's just jump Amanda Jane, aka Panda. I'm joking. Amanda Panda. So she cut my hair last. She's the one who actually cut Keisha's hair.
And Shauna's hair.
Oh yeah, and Shauna's hair. Let me tell you guys how I used to spend, like, me and Shauna used to spend like over hundreds of dollars to go to a special curly person to cut our hair. But you guys saw how Amanda cut Keisha's hair, and she didn't do no, like, it was like no special cut. I just feel like once the person knows how to cut a hair, you're good to go. Cause Keisha's cut was really nice. Shauna's cut's really nice. And yeah, clips. Yeah.
Okay, so what length do you want?
Like
cut it like
Keisha's, yeah. Cause I know my curls is gonna bounce up.
Did you that a spray bottle to spray water? Because Walmart Dollar Store has them.
No, it came with a blow dryer. And you're the same one who used it and said you like it.
But I use that. I never use that.
Don't talk to me, I'm cutting my hair.
The hell looks like Febreze.
This is the ones you have to go.
So where we start a little bit longer, and then we go shorter, okay?
Yeah.
Because I want to see how the bounce is. So look here.
Okay.
Okay? Or you want me to start a little longer?
No, go. I trust you.
Hold on.
Ah, let me see how short.
No!
No, let me see, Amanda.
It doesn't matter now.
Oh my god, Amanda! Oh my god! I didn't want it that short.
Yeah, I pulled it. I showed you. That's
I couldn't see from the back.
I pulled. I
She
should've
pointed
relied.
my. I'm joking. So guys, this is the final cut. I'm about to style it, add some products in, and then Amanda's gonna see if she wants to cut my bangs a little shorter. But my hair feels so much lighter right now. I'm actually really excited to style it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Style this bad boy.